The Doorcom 2 is Alexa-enabled, which means you can control the camera using your voice commands. It also offers free cloud storage, which can store up to 3 days of footage for easy access. Installation is easy as it is designed to be mounted over any door without any complicated wiring or drilling. With its sleek and compact design, the Doorcam 2 is perfect for anyone who wants a discreet and reliable home security solution. Overall, the Remo Doorcom 2 is an affordable and effective way to keep your home secure. With its high-quality features, easy installation, and Alexa compatibility, making it a top choice for homeowners looking for an easy-to-use security camera.